Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We're going to go over our Forex trades for today, Friday, June 27th. Pretty slow, really slow actually out there. We did get two trades, and really no economic news to speak about. Typical Friday in the summer. These things, the markets always slow down, especially on weekends or Friday during the summer months. But couple that with extremely low volatility in all markets, from bonds to equities to currencies, and it's going to be slow. But we did have two trades. We do have two more positions on, which we still are in. We are down on those two. But these two that we made, these two that we traded, that we got out of, we were up 17.2 pips. The two that we're in, we're down maybe 5, 6, possibly 7 pips total of those two. So overall, even if we liquidated them now, we'd still be up about 10, 11, 12 pips for the day. But we're gonna hold and kind of see what they do throughout the remainder of today. If they get taken out on our stop, we get taken out. If we hold them over the weekend, we hold them. But anyway, we'll go over the two trades here in no particular order. The first trade you're looking at here is Euro Australian dollar. We went short this, had a signal go short 1.44464. Covered it, picked up 8.4 pips. Pretty much covering just at the bottom of this spike here, and this area, these tops of this consolidation area. So it was pretty much of a layup to get out there. Ended up being right. We picked up 8.4. Maybe we could have made a few more pips, maybe 5 or 6 more pips, if but that's just greed. We'll take it and we move on. It was a really easy trade. If we were holding it, we'd be down in the trade right now. So you just got to let the charts kind of show you what to do. Second trade was pound the US dollar. We got a signal to go long here, 1.70208. Same thinking, you got these tops here, you got these tops, this was tops from early yesterday morning, you got tops from a few days ago, this whole area here on the 23rd. So it's a no-brainer to get out right in that area. We got out 1.70296, picked up 8.8 pips, and you can see what happened. It did bust through that. It took a couple hours, because this is a half-an-hour chart, so it took a couple hours, and then it ran. And it ran another 20 pips from where we got out. But what if it didn't do that? What if it didn't run? What if we were right, similar to the other chart, and it stalled and she reversed? We'd be holding a loss of a position if we didn't get out. We'd either be pushing on the trade, or we'd be looking at a loss right now, either holding the loss or getting out of the loss, or whatever. So I think it was a clear area to get out, and I'm not. Yeah, we left 20 pips on the table, but are we annoyed about it? Not really, because this area consolidation and this area consolidation from early yesterday, it could have held. It could have definitely held. So why take the chance? Take the 8.8 pips and move on. So two trades, 17.2 pips towards the end of the month. Pretty darn good, especially on two trades. So we'll take it and move on to Monday, or actually Sunday night when the currency's open. So that's it. If any signals come out, they'll be coming out. We'll be sending them out to you. And if you're still trading now, good luck, and we'll be back on probably Monday, I'm assuming, if we get some trades. Have a great weekend.